Asiatique The Riverfront, commonly known as Asiatique, is a popular waterfront shopping and entertainment complex in Bangkok. It combines a night bazaar, dining options, entertainment venues, and beautiful river views. Here are some of the key attractions and highlights of Asiatique Night Bazaar. Asiatique is renowned for its expansive night bazaar featuring a wide range of shops and stalls. You can find everything from clothing, accessories, handicrafts, and home decor to souvenirs, artwork, and traditional Thai products. It's a great place to shop for unique items and gifts. Restaurants and food stalls. Asiatique offers a diverse selection of restaurants, cafes, and food stalls serving various cuisines. From Thai street food and seafood to international dishes, you'll find an array of dining options to satisfy your taste buds. The complex also has a dedicated area called The Pier, where you can enjoy riverside dining with scenic views. Calypso Cabaret Show. Asiatique is home to the renowned Calypso Cabaret Show, which features talented performers dressed in glamorous costumes. The show combines singing, dancing, and comedy, creating an entertaining and lively performance that showcases Thailand's cabaret culture. It's a popular attraction for visitors seeking an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Ferris wheel. The Giant Swing. Asiatique features a large Ferris wheel called the Giant Swing, which offers panoramic views of the Chao Phraya River and the Bangkok skyline. Taking a ride on the Ferris wheel provides a unique vantage point to appreciate the city's beauty, especially during the evening when the lights illuminate the surroundings. Entertainment venues. Asiatique has several entertainment venues, including live music bars, jazz clubs, and theaters. These venues host performances ranging from local bands and singers to jazz ensembles and cultural shows. Visitors can enjoy live music and entertainment while immersing themselves in the vibrant atmosphere of Asiatique. Riverfront Promenade. Asiatique offers a scenic promenade along the river, allowing visitors to take leisurely walks, enjoy the cool breeze, and admire the views. The promenade is lined with shops, restaurants, and outdoor seating areas where you can relax and soak up the ambiance. Events and festivals. Asiatique regularly hosts special events and festivals, including seasonal celebrations, cultural festivals, and holiday-themed activities. These events often feature live performances, parades, fireworks, and other exciting attractions that add to the festive atmosphere of Asiatique. Asiatique The Riverfront offers a unique blend of shopping, dining, entertainment, and beautiful river views. Whether you're looking for a memorable shopping experience, delicious food, live performances, or simply a place to relax and enjoy the waterfront ambiance, Asiatique has something to offer for everyone.